Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super relevant comparison. Ensure versus Huel. Which one reigns supreme in 2025? If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a quick, nutritious meal replacement, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step so you can make an informed choice. First, what exactly are these products? Ensure is a ready-to-drink nutritional shake from Abbott, designed primarily for people who need extra support, like seniors, those recovering from illness, or anyone looking to maintain their health. It's fortified with vitamins, minerals, and proteins to help with weight management and overall nutrition. On the flip side, Huel is a powdered meal replacement that's all about plant-based, sustainable eating. Popular among fitness enthusiasts and busy professionals, Huel provides a complete meal in a shake, focusing on balanced macros like proteins, carbs, and fats from natural sources. Now, let's compare the key factors. Starting with nutrition. Ensure typically packs more calories per serving, which is great if you're aiming to gain weight or need high energy, but Huel edges out with higher fiber content and more plant-based nutrients, making it better for digestive health and long-term wellness. Taste-wise, Ensure has that classic milky shake flavor, which some find comforting, while Huel offers a wider range of flavors and a smoother, customizable texture. When it comes to price, Huel is generally more affordable for everyday use, especially if you buy in bulk, whereas Ensure might be covered by insurance for medical purposes, giving it an edge there. Convenience is another big one. Both are easy to prepare, but Huel's powder form lets you mix it up anywhere, while Ensure's pre-mixed bottles are perfect for on-the-spot needs. One downside to Ensure is that it often contains more processed ingredients and sugars, which might not suit everyone, especially if you're watching your intake. Huel, being vegan and allergen-friendly, scores points for inclusivity but could feel a bit bland if you're not used to it. So, which is better? It really depends on your lifestyle and goals. If you're dealing with health issues or need medically tailored nutrition, go with Ensure. But for a daily, eco-friendly meal replacement that supports fitness and sustainability, Huel takes the cake in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more head-to-head comparisons. What's your go-to meal replacement? Drop it in the comments below.